Hi friends, welcome back to Quizer King. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers and letters within given time? Are you ready? Let's go!
Hey viewers, try to find the odd number 21 within given time. Wow, you found it! Hey viewers, try to spot the odd number 51 within given time. Yes, that's great. Hey viewers, try to find the odd number 16 within given time. Wow, well done. Hey viewers, this one is very easy level. Try to find the number 71 within given time. Yes, you found it. Hey viewers, try this number addition challenge. Wow, you got it. Hey viewers, try to spot the odd letter DB within given time. Yes, it's letter DB. Try to find the odd letter FE within given time. Yes, it's letter FE. Hey viewers, try to find the odd letter VA between these letters. Yes, that's brilliant work. Hey viewers, anybody can find the odd number 552 within given time? Yes, that's brilliant work. Hey my viewers, try to spot the odd number 546 within given time. Wow, amazing work. Hey viewers, if you have sharp eyes, look for odd number 529 within given time. Yes, that's absolutely brilliant. Hey viewers, so let's test your mind. Quickly find the 578 within given time. Wow, amazing work. Hey my viewers, Test your observation skills. Can you find the odd number 676 within given time? Wow, my viewers' observation skills so good. Hey my viewers, if you have a sharp mind, quickly find the 621 before time runs out. Come on. Wow, great job. Hey viewers, let's have a competition. Let's find where the letter ma'am is written. Wow, that's absolutely brilliant. Are viewers genius? Now tell me, where is the letter dog? Yes, you found it! Hey viewers, try to find the odd letters on within given time. My viewers who are very intelligent, try to find the odd number. It's odd number 5555. Are you Quizmaster Pro? Try to find the odd number 4545. Wow, great, you found it. Viewers who like challenges, find the first odd number 8484 before time runs out. Those who have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel quickly so that you can be the first to get more interesting quiz videos. Hey viewers, are you puzzle lover? Try this number puzzle challenge. Wow, you are puzzled with. Hey viewers, try to spot the odd number 8088 within given time. Anybody can find the odd number 7676 within given time. Yes, you found it. Hey viewers, do you think the numbers 22, 23 are present in this picture? Yes, it's odd number 22, 23. Hey my viewers, quickly subscribe to the channel and give me your feedback on what kind of videos my viewers like so that I can make more videos like this for you people. Come on!